Hey you guys, welcome back to Adventures with Jay. It's been long overdue. Welcome. If you are new to this channel, hello, I am Jay, and this channel is everything business, DIY, and fashion. So as you can see by the title, I owed you guys this video for a couple of weeks now. Life's been kind of crazy on my end, but your girl is back, and I am here with the beaded bracelet video that with the Joann bead. I'm super excited to be back, and I just want to add before we get started that I appreciate all the new subscribers, all of you who are joining the family, but please make sure you click that subscribe button, you guys, okay? Because a lot of you guys are tuning in and watching my videos, but you are not subscribed to the channel, and I do not want you guys to miss out on any updates or any new videos that I will be posting. Plus, when you subscribe and like my video, it's free 99, so why not? Okay, so yeah, so we are going to create beaded bracelets today, and using the Joann beads and JSRE beads. So let's get into it. Okay, here are the materials you'll need: scissors, measuring tape, elastic string, your long nose pliers, your beads. I got these beads from Joann's. You can see if your local Joann's have these. And then these beads are from JSRE, and these charms are from JSRE as well. And then of course I have my spacers. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use yet, but I have my different type of spacers. And then of course you will need your jump rings and your split rings. So let's get started. So with this second set, I basically decided to do the complete opposite of what the first bracelet was. So on the first bracelet, I did the clear ones. I did the burgundy, then the clear one 5 times. So with this one, I'm doing the clear one first, and then the burgundy 5 times. So every time I do bracelet stacks, I love to make each bracelet different, or I always make sure the middle row pops. It just gives it such a clean and like creative look to it. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm so OCD when it comes to creating, because I just always have these crazy ideas how I like to do things. So let me know if you like to make your sets different, or if I don't make it different, I like to have a pattern. Like, I visualized a pattern I like to do based on the style of the beads. But I will say I want to start doing like more all solid color bracelets, because I never do that. But yeah, comment and let me know what you think how I did this set. And I'm kind of rusty when it comes to creating, and you will see I counted like 50 million times, because every time I'm creating, I always forget like which number I'm on. And it's very, very important to keep track of how many beads you're putting on each bracelet to ensure that they all be identical and that it will fit your customer's wrist. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys focus on the video. And we are all done, family. We done a double strand method beaded bracelet stack. Super easy, super fun, and these turned out way better than I thought. And now I just stack them on top of each other and how I want to visualize it to make it look all pretty. And now we are going to go to my favorite part, the charms. So when I am adding my charms, I like to use jump rings and split rings at the same time, you guys. It's very, very, I don't know, I just love the look, and I love how no matter how my customers put on their bracelets, they they charms will turn in the direction that they wearing them. If you are looking for heavy duty jump rings and split rings, you can click the link in my Amazon store, or you can go on the website www.jsari.com, and I have split rings and jump rings available to order. So yeah, check it out. So that is it, you guys. I am going to put these bad boys on to give you guys a more visual of how they look on. When I wear my bracelets, some people like to wear their charms facing this way, but I prefer is mine facing this way. And this is how they look on. Extra dramatic, extra bougie, just how I like it, and my customers like it. This is how they look on. And then of course, if you don't like all of this, if you have your customers who don't like so much of a dramatic look, you would just use less charms, okay? But again, I got these beads from Joann's, and then these burgundy beads are from JSari, and the charms is from JSari, and then everything else is pretty much self-explanatory, but the links will be in the description for you guys to check it out. I hope this video was helpful. Doing the double strand method for the beaded bracelets, I had fun doing it. It was long overdue. I was supposed to vend it this set, but I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. And like always, I thank you so much for tuning in and joining the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.